We begin on the Flowsense website, where the platform is positioned as an industry-specific ERP for manufacturing excellence. The hero message highlights purpose-built solutions for sectors like steel, process, healthcare, automotive, and aerospace, with options to calculate ROI or request a demo. This sets the stage for a connected operations platform designed to bring intelligence and control into complex business environments. Next, the login screen introduces the AI powered legal practice management portal with role based access for lawyers and plan administrators. Users enter their email address, continue securely, and can rely on passwordless authentication for a streamlined sign in experience. The clean layout reinforces that each user starts from the right workspace for their responsibilities. Now we are inside the fleet management dashboard, which gives a high level pulse of the entire operation. Keycards summarize total fleet size, revenue, active drivers, and average wait time, while trend charts show revenue movement and vehicle utilization over time. This view helps managers spot performance changes quickly and focus attention where it is needed most. The live tracking screen brings the fleet onto an interactive map centered across India with real time vehicle markers. A vehicle list on the right shows individual assets, current locations, speeds, and stopped status, making it easy to monitor movement at a glance. Dispatch and operations teams can use this view to respond faster, validate routes, and keep customers informed. The vehicles page turns the fleet into a structured searchable asset register. Each row shows vehicle ID, status, assigned driver, location, fuel level, mileage, last service date, and revenue per day, giving managers the context they need in one place. Filters and the add vehicle action make it simple to maintain an accurate fleet inventory as the business grows. Here, the fuel module highlights anomalies that can directly impact cost and operational efficiency. Alerts flag issues such as theft suspicion, excessive consumption, sudden fuel spikes, or unusual refill patterns, with destination impact and recommended investigation actions. By surfacing these exceptions automatically, the system helps teams reduce leakage, improve accountability, and protect margins. The maintenance screen brings predictive intelligence into day to day fleet upkeep. Summary cards show critical issues, high risk components, upcoming service events, unscheduled repairs, maintenance costs, and vehicle availability, while the component table prioritizes items like engine oil, brakes, tires, and transmission. This helps teams move from reactive repairs to planned maintenance that keeps vehicles on the road. The drivers section gives managers a complete view of the people operating the fleet. It lists driver status, contact details, license information, verification state, rating, trip count, and earnings, with an option to onboard new drivers. With this information centralized, teams can monitor performance, ensure compliance, and assign work with greater confidence. The trip screen tracks every movement from scheduling through completion or cancellation. Managers can review trip ID, driver, route, status, scheduled date, distance, duration, and cost. Then filter by trip stage to focus on active work or past performance. This creates a clear operating record for dispatch planning, billing, and service accountability. Finally, the contact page gives interested teams a direct way to connect with Flowsense. Visitors can send a message with their company details, role, phone number, and specific needs, or reach the sales team using the contact information provided. If you are ready to modernize fleet operations with clearer visibility and smarter control, book a demo today.